Let E be the event that a randomly selected person in the U.S. who is over the age of 24 has attended college, and F be the event that a randomly selected U.S. resident over the age of 24 is female. So we have, according to the U.S. Census Bureau, we have the following probabilities when we want to answer some questions. So let's actually write down what we have here. So we have probability of E, so this is over 24 and college, and F is over 24 and female. So this is over 24 female and college. So now that we've wrote that down, let's go through and answer our questions. So what's the probability of a randomly selected person in the U.S. over the age of 24 is male? So we have the probability of over 24 and male. So notice we're not given anything about males, but just kind of the general assumption, either you're male or female, we can find this. So we can do what we call the complement rule. So that is, both of those things together should add up to the whole thing. So 1 minus the probability that they're over 24 and female will give us the males that are over 24. We can subtract that out here, so that's going to be 1 minus 0.518 here. Let's do that. So 1 minus 0.518, and we got 0.482 there. So the next question asks, what's the probability a randomly selected person in the U.S. over the age of 24 has not attended college? So we're looking at the probability of not attended. So that's going to be 1 minus the probability they have attended, right? And we know that probability, right? That's over 24 and they've attended college. So this is going to be 1 minus 0.559. So we obtain there 1 minus 0.559. So we obtain there 0.441. So one more part here. We have, what is the probability that a randomly selected person in the U.S. over the age of 24 is female or has attended college? So when we have an or probability, we have to ask ourselves, is it possible for them to be both, right? We have female or college, so that is possible, right? So if it's possible, then they're not mutually exclusive when we need to subtract out here. So we want to do the probability of female plus the probability of college minus, so that we're not counting for that overlap. So right now we're counting females who are in college in both of those categories, so we need to subtract it out so we're not counting it twice. So we're going to count out the females that are in college. So female in college. Get those probabilities here. So those are the initial ones that were given. So this is the probability of E, so 0.559 0.559 plus college, which is 0.518 minus the probability of both, which is 0.295. So let's do these first two. So 0.559 plus 0.518 and press enter. So for a moment, let's think about we forgot to subtract that out. Does the probability of 1.077 make sense? No. So remember that probabilities cannot be over 1. So that will tell you that you did something wrong. So remember we have to subtract something out. So that's a good key thing to remember. That's the dead giveaway. So if you have a probability that's negative or greater than 1, you didn't do something right. So our probability there is 0.782 there.